Welcome back. Today I'll show you 6 quick methods to open the disk management tool. Let's get started. Method 1. Run command method. Press Windows plus R. Type diskmgmt.msc. Click OK. Method 2. Power menu method. Right-click the Start menu. Select Disk Management. Method 3. Control Panel method. Open Control Panel. Set view to Category. Click System and Security. Select Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. Method 4. This PC method. Right-click this PC. Click Show More Options. Select Manage. Choose Disk Management. Method 5. Search method. Type Disk Management in Windows Search. Click the tool from Results. Method 6. Desktop Shortcut method. Right-click Desktop. Select New Shortcut. Enter diskmgmt.msc. Name your shortcut. That's all 6 methods. Try whichever works best for you. Thanks for watching.